2025 Tesla Cybertruck is a revolutionary vehicle that pushes the boundaries of pickup truck design and performance. Exterior: the exterior of the Cybertruck is unmistakable with its angular, geometric design and stainless steel exoskeleton. This ultra-hard 3.0x cold-rolled stainless steel is both durable and resistant to dents. The truck's raw metallic finish, coupled with its sharp LED light strip across the front, gives it a futuristic, almost sci-fi appearance. The vehicle also includes bulletproof glass and a retractable tonneau cover for added security and utility. Performance: the 2025 Cybertruck comes in multiple configurations. The base single-motor rear-wheel drive model offers a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of around 6.5 seconds, while the dual-motor all-wheel drive version improves that to 4.5 seconds. The top-tier tri-motor all-wheel drive model is the fastest, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time under 2.9 seconds. Towing capacities range from 7,500 to 14,000 pounds depending on the model. The truck also features an adaptive air suspension system. Interior: inside, the Cybertruck features a minimalist design with seating for up to 6 passengers. The dashboard is dominated by a 17-inch touchscreen that controls almost all functions of the vehicle. The interior materials are durable and include vegan leather and other composites that enhance comfort and practicality. Storage is plentiful, with various compartments throughout the cabin, and the panoramic glass roof provides an expansive view, adding to the spacious feel of the interior. Pricing for the Cybertruck starts at around $50,000 for the base model, with the dual-motor version priced in the mid-$60,000 range, and the tri-motor variant starting around $80,000. These prices make the Cybertruck a competitive option in the electric vehicle market, especially considering its advanced features and performance. Overall, the 2025 Tesla Cybertruck is a game-changer in the pickup truck market, offering a unique combination of futuristic design, powerful performance, and cutting-edge technology. Its distinctive look and advanced features are sure to attract attention, while its performance and safety make it a practical choice for those seeking an innovative electric vehicle. Whether for work or play, the Cybertruck is set to make a lasting impact on the automotive industry.